these are my two other options. Chatterbait and a weightless Texas rig or T-rig or whatever you want to call it. Sorry for the noise, I am right on the road, basically. And I'm right underneath a road too. Or a bridge, if you will. So it's gonna be very, very loud. So I'm gonna go with the T-rig first. Because I can drop into these little pockets over here. I've seen fish surface. I don't know if they're bass or not, or what they are, but oh, that scared me. I was not expecting that so soon. That was a violent grab, too. I haven't fished a Texas rig in ages. I forgot how much fun it is. I don't know what that was. That was a bass or that was a big perch. Because there are big perch in here. I've gotten 13-inch perch out of here, shockingly. Not what you would expect out of here. This river flows out of Clear Lake, California. I'm not paying attention to my line, it just moved. Which there are some big bass in Clear Lake. At Stemo, there's actually a two of those steams. There are some hot springs, and there's more hot springs further down there. Oh, I didn't pull my bait down, so maybe it wasn't a fish. Sure did feel like a fish, though. Did I actually move these pinchers apart here? Yeah, I did. Alright, good. On the surface here, it looks like. Wonder if it'll get crushed or whatever was down there. Ooh, hey. I just set my hook into something. Nice snag, probably. Apparently so. But probably a little tiny fish. Oh, there's a... I'm stepping on that. Buddy, you might want to move. I nearly stepped on you. Yeah, you might want to go back there a bit. There you go. Oh, there's another one right there. Oh, he just molted. Okay. Got him. Got him. Got him. Yay! First fish of the day. We've got a largemouth bass. Ooh, right on the top of the mouth. Not exactly where I wanted him, but... Ooh, poor dude. I didn't mean to get you there. There we go. Well, either way... Oh, careful there. That is a nice and pretty... Nice little football of a bass. Great, let's get him back in the water quickly. Alrighty. Been here haven't been here for 15 minutes. Already caught a fish. He's already kind of decimated my pinch rock here. That little bird. Well, he's still usable. Excuse me, maybe we'll get another couple of fish off of him. He was more towards over here. Might be hiding in the weeds more. Is that a thump? Or was that just a smack from a perch? I'm told that wasn't the only fish in the area. Just hop this guy across the bottom of it here. This green pumpkin actually kind of stands out a bit in the water. It's actually nice, huge to it. Nice if I had been more of a summer truck color, because then its belly would be like a nice golden-ish. Maybe more of a chartreuse, just more of like an orange. Maybe you could say summery look to it. Why not say summery look? Ooh, hey, hello. Missed him. Probably waited too long, actually. Oh, that was... Oh, he's took my thing, too. That was either a violent little bass, or that was a big bass. Because, I mean, it chomped it. Probably just pulled my bait off. Probably just had the legs. Could have been a perch, I suppose. Alright, I got a package of more trench hooks right here, although I think I'm actually going to grab a bonita bug. Give this guy here a try. Now, there are no crawfish in here, so whatever these baits imitating that look to the fish could just be like, oh, something's moving, let's eat it. Got him. It's small and it's a perch. Yay. And that's a pretty nice, well, not too big, but I mean, it's an okay size. Oh, I hooked him on the outside of the mouth. Dude, why are you going after my bait? It's like quarter size of you. Yeah. Nice little, I don't know, 8-inch perch, 7-inch perch. Go back in there. Not that bad, but I mean, they get bigger. Definitely. This river is only 8 minutes from where I live, so it's more of my local waterway that's closer to me. And I'm so happy as bass. And if you look it up online, on the Oregon Department of Fish and Wildlife, it says main resident trout. There's not a single trout in here, I can guarantee. There's tui chubs, yellow perch, largemouth bass. Sorry, I had it right there. Yellow bullheads. There's a few more I can't think of at the moment off the top of my head. So for most... Oh, that was a bigger fish than what I was expecting? No, it's not. I just hooked him sideways. Oh, dude. There's a school of perch down there. And I'm just like... I don't know how I'm even hooking them, actually. But... yeah. I don't even know how I'm hooking them the way I am. Because maybe going to this smaller bait wasn't the best idea, because now there's smaller fish going after it. And that is one hideously massive spider. Look at that thing. Oh my goodness. What is that? I'm not a fan of spiders so much, so... My word, that's a massive spider. Okay. Yeah, I probably got a few of those crawling on me, I'd imagine. So we're gonna go to the next spot and see what we can get. So, I will see you there. Oh, I got spider web all over my face. That's lovely. Got him. Got him. Yeah. Woohoo! Yeah, that's a nice guy right there. Oh, hold still. Hold still. Get you unpinned here. Oh, that's a hook in my hand. Alright, that's nice. Sweet. Well, that's a nice 1 pounder right there. I'm gonna actually... I know he don't weigh much, but I'm gonna weigh him because just I want to get out the way of the scale today. Just because, you know, I feel like it. 1.33. 1.37, I mean. Sweet. That's not bad for here. Like, look at that guy. Beautiful. That's kind of a football. He got some parasites on him there, though. That's pretty gross. Okay, well. That's funny. I like that when they do that. It's funny. I don't know why. You just jump out of the water. Because they probably think they're still hooked, but they're not. That guy was ready to go, though. That's what had been nipping at my tail.